In this lecture, we will be talk about how to create the project and how to run your first program in the Django. In a previous lecture, you have seen about creating the project and creating app too. So in this lecture, we will run the simple program in the Django. So let's start about it. So now I am opening the command. So come on the desktop area. So Python. So Django. So admin start project. It's my pro. It's my project. The project name my. So Django. So now you can see the Django admin is successfully create the my project. So now cd desktop. So cd my pro. So now I have created start app. Its name is my app. Okay guys. So before we starting, so if you want to get more information about the creating the project, creating the app too, and how to run the first project, so switch to our website. The website is www.salesforcedriller.com. After the opening this page, click on the Learn Python section. Then click creating a first simple program. Okay, guys. So now what we have to do. So here is my project. So open it. Go into the my pro. It's a project and open the setting. After the opening the setting, go into the installed app area. Now register your app. So what is your app name? So my app is my app name. Okay guys, so save it. Now what we have to do, so open a Sublime. So it is my project. Okay, opening it. Open the project, click on the open the project. Now click on the app and open the all. So open the URL section. Okay guys, wait a minute, hold it. So it's not opening, so don't worry about it. Click on the project and drag into here. Now you can see it is it's a project creating and also the file has been created. So let's see. So after the registering your app into the setting, now click on the urs.py. Now opening, after the opening, type the following command from my app views import simple. Okay, so from my app dot views import the simple. So I'm not creating simple. Now I'm going to create the simple method. So first we have call, so path. So here keep it blank. Now this is simple. I'm calling this simple. So save it. Now open my app to views dot py. Okay guys, so now what we have to do, so Django dot, so from Django dot http import http response. Okay guys, now I'm importing the response from the Django.http. I want to get the response of the message. So now I'm going to create a def. This is simple. Okay guys, so simple will take the request. Now it will return http response. So what it will be response, so it is bold. First it will come to the center. Hello world. Okay guys, now close the center first. Now close the B tag. Okay guys, so save it. So now run this project. So cd desktop, so cd mypro, so python manage.py run server. So it is a simple program. So I have run this. So after that, now you can see it is my IP address. You can also switch to this address to run the project. So I open the local host, say 8000, enter this. Now you can see my hello world is successfully print. So what is just behind this? So if you talk about this code, so here if I am the client, so I am client, I invoke the IP address. So I am invoking the request. It means I am invoking the request through the urls.py and urls.py request to the views, and views get the response from this of the code, and it is a show up to the web page through the website. Okay guys, now what to do, now we will return the HTML page. It is the basic program. So here we have only we have uh, returning the message. Now we have calling the basic program. So before we start with the basic HTML file, so why we are using in a URL section url.py, why we are keep it the blank? You can also take the another things like ABC. Okay guys, so if you are using the ABC, then you have to do what? Then it will not then you have to do, so click and ABC, so that's why it will be open these things. Okay guys, so now we are going to print the HTML file. So before we have to HTML file, now we have to create the templates into the folder section. So my app, it's creating the folder, its name is templates. So my templates consisting the file. So what file? Let's see. So save it first abc.html. Now it will save into my app to templates. Okay guys, so abc.html. So now html, so here is it's a head, So title, first program. So I'm closing this title. Okay, now I'm closing this head. So opening the body section. So it is a h1 tag. Hi, I am using HTML file. Okay guys, so now I'm closing h1 and closing body. So now I'm closing HTML also. So save it. Now what we have to do, click on the URLs page. So giving the another path, name is another. Now what we have to do, so we have call another function. Okay, now give the forward slash, save it. Now comes into this, the views section. So now what we have to do, so def is another, is take the request all to. So now it will be return render. It will render is used for the returning the HTML file. So what it will, so it is a request. Now abc.html. Okay guys, so save it. So let's program run again. So here is another is not defined. Why? Let's see. So here is another. Now open the URLs page. Okay. So suppose it is a ABC and save it. So here simple. So use a star in the stead of simple, because if you are only use the simple, it means only you are in importing the simple function. So now I'm also want to import the another function, so I'm using the star. So let's run again. So you can see my project is successfully run. So now let's run this project again. So localhost, it's 8000. So it's my simple program. So it is ABC. Now you can see, hi, I am using the HTML file. So it is my HTML file. So that's it for this session, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So thanks for my watching video. Thank you, guys.